Lach eens.
Welkom bij een nieuwe video. Afgelopen keer hebben we een video gemaakt over Aqua di Parma. Ik wil iedereen bedanken voor de reacties en voor de likes die jullie hebben gegeven. Heel belangrijk voor ons. Dit weekend maken we een video over Lubiam. De kleermakers van Lubiam die komen hier naar de winkel en dan gaan we alle mannen opmeten die iets bijzonders willen hebben qua stof of qua maat. Today is a special day. Today we have a made-to-measure weekend with the company Lubiam. Here in front of me we have Mr. Demetrio. Demetrio is the tailor of the company Lubiam. Today we make some movies when some customers are measured. So they give us permission for a film and that's very important for us. So now we have here Demetrio and now he'd like to tell us about the company Lubiam.
Yeah, hi. I am Demetrio Cogliandro that come from Italy. I am the director for all the world for Lubiam, that is one of the healthy and oldest company in Italy that makes suit for men. Located in Mantova. This is a family company. We are at fourth generation now. It's something really nice to see how is the process to make our suit, because we have 200 tailors that work at each garment. So every jacket that we produce pass by 200 different working women. So it's a long process, and then we are happy to make a nice suit for our customers. So today I am in Groningen at Rudolf in Harvie store to have a meeting with our customers, because today is the made-to-measure day in Harvie, which is a day where we invite our best customers to feel and to try the emotion of the made-to-measure suit. I am very happy to work with Rudolf, because there is a lot of customers that want to looks better in a suit and feel better in suit.
I want to introduce you now Davide. Davide is the agent in Holland of the company Lubiam. So this weekend he also helped us in the shop to invite the customers. He helped us with the fabrics and the measurements for the customers who want to have a nice suit, or a shirt, or a coat, or a jacket. So that's very important that Davide is here, and today with the movies that we make, we ask all the customers for permission that we film them and that they say yes, it's okay. That's very important that they give us the permission. So Davide, maybe you can tell something about yourself, what you're doing.
Okay. Good evening or good afternoon or good morning, whenever is the time that you're looking this movie. My name is Davide. I'm Italian, living in Holland since 20 years. And one of the best experience in my job, I'm an agent of different Italian brand. But one of the things that makes me more happy in this job is actually this kind of event. And Rudolf is one of the probably biggest ambassador in Holland concerning made-to-measure. When I met Rudolf the first time, he made it very clear to me that his objective was to become the expert of the made-to-measure in the north of Holland. And I think that after all this year, all this effort, especially for his passion, he's accomplished that kind of objective. What is beautiful about this event? Talking about made-to-measure, most of the people, they think that is about suit. No, it's not about suit. It's about fare la bella figura. that in Italian it means to look nice to yourself, based on your taste, on the way that you want to be perceived by other people, and have the opportunity to customize 100% your outfit. And when we reach that objective, so when we put something that sometimes is unexpected to our consumer, and they look themselves in the mirror and they see that there is the same man but in another kind of outfit, we can also be happy that this person is going to walk in the street with the most street back. Most of all, actually, the best of the best in terms of reaching these objectives is when we have this event, and also their women are here in the event. And by seeing their men dressed in a different way, they are going to look their men also in a different way. So it's all about looking good and fare la bella figura, how we say in Italy. We would like to make a suit, if I understood well, a suit, for example, with this fabric. A jacket and a pant. And then to choose another fabric, again to combine with this jacket, but, okay.
But different fabric, or
Yeah.
you want to make a suit?
Yeah.
It's also in the new model.
Very good. Very good. Nice.
So,
En lekker samen.
saying,
wool with cashmere.
saying
from
as
the-
as I'd like to have it unconstructed, do you think that would be best for this kind of material, or would you?
What do you mean when you speak about the unconstruct?
No lining.
Okay. Yeah, is the best because you have a flannel fabric that is perfect without lining. That you can use even with the jeans. Jeans, t-shirt, and good to go.
I like for another 4, please. Assistant.
How much you can pay for one copy? Consigliere.
Bedankt voor kijken naar deze video. Afgelopen weekend hebben wij allemaal leuke mensen ontmoet die zich hebben op laten meten voor een mantel, een pak, een jasje of een broek. En het is heel leuk om zoiets mee te maken. Wil je ook een keer zo'n event meemaken? Bel ons of mail ons. Dan gaan we een afspraak maken en dan kun je meedoen met de wereld van mooie maatpakken. Zorg ervoor dat je naar ons blijft kijken. Like ons, word abonnee. En zodat we ons kijken samen naar een mooie video. Tot de volgende keer.